Okay, here I want to find the answer of this chain of multiplications, okay? And I want to see how can I apply the cancellation trick. The first step is to see if I can rewrite this expression here in a different way or not. Well, I replace the 1 by 2 over 2, and this 1 over 2 is as it is. So if I simplify this, this is equal to 3 over 2. All right, so I can replace this expression by 3 over 2. And this is multiplied by the next term. And if I go through the same process, I'll get 4 over 3 times 5 over 4. And if I do the same for all the terms, I'll get 6 over 5 here times 7 over 6 here times 8 over 7 here times, and here for the last one, we get 101 over 100. Okay, and I'd like to write one term before this, which would be 1 plus 1 over 99, which leave us with 100 over 99 here. Okay, so I think now you can easily solve this because this 3 and this 3 cancel out each other, and this 4 cancels this 4 out, and this 5 cancels this 5, and this cancels this. So you see they all cancel each other, okay? So this cancels this, and this 99 is canceled by something here, by the term before that. What is left is this 2 here, and denominator, and this 101 there. So the answer is 101 over 2.